code here again with another syllable division lesson. I'm using Explode the Code books. You might be looking at book 4 or 4.5, but I'm on lesson 2 in both of those books. The lesson up on top says when one consonant stands between two vowels, the word is usually divided after the first vowel. I'm introducing here another syllable division pattern. The last lesson that we did, we talked about the VCCV syllable division pattern. I mentioned there are many others. Today, we're going to start another syllable division pattern, VCV, and this is I'm going to call the first choice. All right, and you'll understand why next time. So with the division pattern that we're going to practice today, you are going to divide after that first vowel. Let's take a look and try some. The first word that they gave you to practice is H-O-T-E-L. Let's go ahead and if you are using your notebook, write that word down. If you're using the worksheet, the piece of paper, go ahead and take a look at that. We have H-O-T-E-L. All right, our steps do not change. When you wrote down all of your steps last time, mark your vowels, build a bridge, mark your consonants on the bridge, divide, label your vowels. Those steps are all the same. The only thing that's changing is the pattern that you are using to divide. So I want you to write VCV down. And I want you to show yourself where that line goes, where you divide after that first vowel. So let's go ahead and practice these steps, right? First step, mark your vowel. O is a vowel, E is a vowel. Step number 2, build your bridge. It's a shorter bridge this time because we only have one consonant on that bridge, right? T is our only consonant on that bridge. Now, where last time we were dividing between two consonants, this division pattern, remember, wants us to divide after that first vowel. So that's where we're going to divide. After that first vowel is where you karate chop your word now. We are left with H-O is the first syllable. Look at just that first syllable and ask yourself, what kind of syllable is that? Where's your vowel? O is your vowel. Do you have anything after that O in that syllable? You don't. All right, you have another syllable after that, but we're just looking at this H-O, just as if this were the syllable by itself that you are looking at. Does anything come after that O? Nothing comes after that O. What kind of syllable is that, guys? It's not closed, it's wide open. All right, that vowel has all of that room to make its long vowel sound. You're going to now label that with your macron. Remember, that O is going to say its long vowel sound. That first syllable will sound like ho, okay? Syllable number 2, the next syllable. Find your vowel. E is my vowel. Does anything come after that E? You have an L. That consonant L after the E closes the door on that vowel. That vowel can only say its short vowel sound. That vowel is going to need a brev, and it's going to say eh. All right, let's put these two syllables together and see what word we're looking at here. We have o, ho, and t, eh, ul, tell. Put them together and you have hotel. All right, let's take a look at another one. The next word on that page is L-I-L-A-C. As much as I like these lessons, I wish their text was a little bit bigger because sometimes it's difficult for someone who writes large to label these vowels and these consonants and get that line right where they want it. So just go slower, all right, slow down a little bit and focus on what you're writing there. Make sure that you can read it. Steps don't change, there's the same. Mark your vowel. I is a vowel, A is a vowel. Step 2, build your bridge. Step 3, mark your consonant on the bridge. L is my consonant here. Use your syllable division pattern that you see here. We're using VCV first choice, and we're going to divide right after that first vowel. So now we're looking at L-I. I is my vowel, and I don't have anything coming after that vowel in this syllable. It's wide open and it can say its name, I. We have lie, okay? Second syllable, L-A-C. A is my vowel, and I do have a consonant after that vowel closing the door. This is a closed syllable. The A, the vowel here, can only make its short sound. We're gonna give that a breath. L-A-C, lack, lack. Let's put those two syllables together. You have lilac, lilac. If you don't know what that is, it's a really fragrant flower. They should be blooming sometime soon. Lilac. Go ahead and use the rest of this lesson to continue to practice. Use the last page, the spelling drill. Try to do that without looking back at the words that you've been practicing. Focus on those syllable types. Use the rules that you know when you want a long vowel and when you want a short vowel. Put those syllables together. Remember, you're not leaving a space in between those syllables. You're making one word. They must go together. Go ahead and give that a try, guys. Good luck. Have fun practicing.